Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Andy with Alley Sports Cards. We've got a 2-box break of 2011 Timeless Treasures, which ended on March 6th on eBay. We'll just go through this list here real quick. Alright, so starting off we have Betsy picking up the Browns, Raiders, Eagles, Tabitha with the Bills, Bucks, Redskins. If I pronounce it wrong, I'm sorry, go Rees. With the Chiefs, Patriots, Giants, Seahawks, and Titans. Corey with the Rams, Brandon Mance with the 49ers, Ken picking up the Chargers, Joni with the Steelers and Jags, Joseph with the Jets, Brian M with the Saints, Richard with the Dolphins, Blake with the Colts, Ravens, and Falcons, Justin with the Texans, Packers, and Cardinals, Brandon Miller with the Lions, and then we have Brian with the Broncos, Ben with the Cowboys, Doug with the Bengals, Jeremiah with the Bears, and Nathan with the Panthers. So without further ado to everyone, thanks for bidding, and let's see what we got here. And we got finally my new camera in. So as far as zooming errors, it should no longer be an issue. So right there, 324-844-366. And there's a box one that was already pre-marked. So without further ado, good luck to everyone, and let's see what we got. They're super nice looking cards here. Okay. I'll start from the back. Alright, so for the Steelers, a Franco Harris Legend card. Numbered 84 of 499. 49ers, Michael Crabtree. Let's see if we can get these a little closer here in this little. Michael Crabtree, 49ers. Number 393 of 499. And first hit is going to be Jimmy Smith with the Ravens. Who picked up the Ravens? So Blake, there you go, buddy. Jimmy Smith with the Ravens on card auto. And that is going to be serial numbered 163 of 463. So congratulations there. Moving on. For the Jaguars, Maurice Jones-Drew Game Day Souvenirs. That's going to be Jaguars versus the Chiefs on October 24th, 2010. Jaguars were picked up by Joni, serial numbered 77-135. Come on, buddy. There you go. And with the Colts, we have a Reggie Wayne patch card. That is going to be an serial numbered 56 of 250. And the Colts going to Blake as well. So 2 hits there for you. And moving on to box 2. Before we do that, one item that I haven't been doing that much because my old camera sucked. This one is not too bad. Come on. There we go. 324-844-370. Okay. Alright, good luck to everyone on pack hobby box 2. Alright, starting off for the Broncos, Shannon Sharp Legends card. And that is, low numbered, 11 of 99. Nice hit there for the Broncos. Josh Freeman for the Buccaneers. And that is going to be 179 of 499. And coming up for our first auto, Anthony Allen for the Ravens. So Blake rocking it out this time. Congratulations, man. Anthony Allen for the Ravens. That is serial numbered 35 of 299. Congratulations there to Blake. Moving on, Panthers. We got John Beeson, game day souvenirs. That's going to be versus the Bears. John Beeson. It's going to be serial number 37 of 75. So a very low number there again. Moving on with our final card. It's going to be a Legends patch card for the Green Bay Packers. And that's a Forrest Gregg. Legend patch. And that's serial numbered 231 of 250. Now for all the teams that didn't get a card from these two boxes, you will be getting something, and typically it's going to be more than one card. If you have any questions, or if you would rather not take that chance on what cards I'm going to send you, then send me an email. I am going to start waiting a day, and if you want, I can refund your shipping fees, in which case the only thing I can say is good luck next time. But if you have any questions whatsoever, please let me know. Otherwise, I would typically send out anywhere from 4 to 6 cards from the teams that you guys have purchased. So let me know what you want me to do. Otherwise, I'm going to get this uploaded right now. Congratulations to everyone. The big hit, obviously, for this one would be Blake. The couple autographs for you. So thanks again. Thanks for checking out Alley Sports Cards. Have a good night.